Today we are going to see whether air occupies space. Now you know that air around us, air is matter. We know that matter has a mass and it occupies space. So now we are going to do a simple experiment to see whether air occupies space. Now here I have a trough filled with glass vessel filled with water. And I have a dry glass here, there's nothing here, a dry glass. Then I have some tissue papers with me, right? So you can use a dry handkerchief also. So I'm going to struck this tissue in the glass, at the bottom of the glass, so that it does not fall. You have to tighten this in such a way that it doesn't fall, right? Now the tissue is there, and you know that there's air around us. So air enters this. Even though this glass seems to be empty, it's not really empty. It has air inside this. So what you have to do is, now this is a vessel containing water. You have to immerse this glass straight down into the water, right? You should not tilt it. You have to immerse it straight down into the water. Now you can see I immerse it straight down into water, right? Now it's at the bottom of the vessel. Then you have to take it up very slowly in the same manner. Now you can see I'll take this glass tissue out. I'll take this tissue out from the glass. Then you can see the tissue is still dry. This tissue is dry. That means water did not enter into the glass vessel, right? Water did not enter into the glass because there was air inside the glass. This proves that air occupies space. Now let's do this again. I will put the tissues. They are dry because water did not enter into the glass because there is air inside the glass. This proves that air occupies space. Now let's see again. I will tighten the two tissues at the bottom. Now I immerse it straight down, right? You can see air doesn't enter. But now I tilt the glass. When I tilt the glass, you can see air bubbles go out. Air bubbles go out. Now I can take the tissues out. Now you can see the tissues are wet here. The tissues are wet. That is because when I tilt the glass, now this tissue is also wet, right? That is because when I tilt the glass, when I immerse the glass straight down, air is inside the glass, therefore water doesn't enter. That means air occupies space. When I tilt the glass, the air goes out. When air goes out, water goes in. That is why the tissues became wet. So this proves that air occupies space. Thanks for watching.